Standard composition shingle inspection here. Some solar panels. One thing I noticed is the weight of the gutter being full of debris is causing all of the straps to pop upwards, which is peeling open and damaging shingles ever so often. So we're going to need to get these shingles open and secure those straps and get the shingles replaced. But we're also going to have to recommend they get a good gutter cleaning. Another thing I noticed, some of these plumbing vent pipes have collars on them already. But we come over here, we'll notice that some of these pipes do not. And the old sealant has disintegrated away from sun damage, UV exposure. And so we got some gaps in here where water can trickle through that flashing. So those need to be sealed, have new collars put on. Also notice this ridge joint here where it connects to the rake edge has a good tear in it. Some old sealant so we could have water trickling through there. So we're gonna need to get that replaced and sealed back up. Overall, the roof still got some age to it, but it is starting to get a little beat up, a little bit worn out. With a little bit of repair, we could still certify this roof.